Good evening and welcome to my channel. Tonight, Honda's joint venture partner has just introduced the Evo Electric motorcycle, a machine that blends classic cafe racer styling with car-grade technology and performance figures that rival many gasoline bikes. Priced from about $4,500 to $5,200, the Evo sets a new benchmark for premium two-wheel electrics. We'll break down its design, powertrain, battery range, charging speeds, advanced features, chassis, and who this bike is really built for. On May 26, Honda's Wuyong division pulled the curtain back on the Evo electric motorcycle. Unlike most commuter scooters and budget e-bikes, the Evo stakes out a bold, retro-modern identity. Drawing inspiration from 1980s and 90s cafe racers, it pairs a rounded, muscular fuel tank silhouette with futuristic LED lighting and angular bodywork. Two versions are available: a dual battery model starting at approximately $4,500, and a triple battery variant at around $5,200. Both deliver an eye-opening top speed of 75 miles per hour and 030 mph acceleration in just 2.8 seconds, figures that many traditional 250cc bikes can only dream of. At the heart of the Evo sits a mid-mounted electric motor rated at 15.8 kilowatts, roughly 21 horsepower, spinning up to 10,000 revolutions per minute. That power propels the bike to 30 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, and onto its 75 miles per hour top end. It's a leap beyond typical electric scooters, aligning more with entry-level sport bikes. The dual battery version houses a 4.1 kWh lithium-ion pack, offering an estimated 75 miles of urban range. Upgrade to the 6.2 kWh triple battery setup, and you get roughly 105 miles on a charge, ample for weekend rides or longer commutes without range anxiety. Honda kept pace with automotive EVs by equipping the Evo with a 6-pin AC charging inlet, conforming to national electric vehicle standards. At home, a 1.8 kilowatts charger restores 30 miles of range per hour. Plug into a public 3.4 kilowatts station, and that jumps to 50 miles in just 60 minutes, dramatically outpacing most electric two-wheelers on the market. For maximum flexibility, a standard DC port remains, so owners can choose from a wider array of charging networks. Quick top-ups at supermarkets, workplaces, or highway rest stops become a stress-free part of the ride. Visually, the Evo is a standout. Its round LED headlamp nests within a squared-off nacelle, accented by ribbed side panels and a sculpted tail section. A 7-inch full-color TFT display sits front and center, flanked by a smaller analog-style gauge for instant reference. Beneath the seat, dual cameras offer full HD ride recording, complete with DJI drone link capability for aerial footage integration. Keyless ignition, smartphone connectivity, tire pressure monitoring, remote lock-unlock, and over-the-air updates round out the automotive suite of features that riders seldom see on two-wheelers. To harness its brisk acceleration, the Evo rides on a forged aluminum monocoque frame technology, borrowed from leader-class motorcycles. The front end uses upside-down telescopic forks, while a central air cell shock at the rear delivers adjustable rebound and preload. Together, they soak up urban potholes and provide stability at highway speeds. Wide, semi-slick tires mounted on alloy wheels enhance grip and cornering precision, combined with dual-disc front brakes and a linked rear caliper. Braking performance matches the bike's energetic pace. With a starting price north of $4,500, the Evo is clearly not aimed at budget commuters. Instead, it targets enthusiasts who crave performance, distinctive style, and tech sophistication, riders willing to invest in an electric machine that feels as thrilling and connected as a sport bike. It represents Honda's serious commitment to electrification in the premium segment, carving out a niche where emotion, heritage, and innovation intersect. In summary, the Honda Evo elevates electric motorcycles into a new Real melding cafe racer aesthetics, 75 miles per hour performance, 100-mile range, fast charging, and car-like technology. Whether it sparks a trend for high-end e-bikes or remains a niche marvel, one thing is certain: Honda has redefined what an electric two-wheeler can be. For Gearshift News, thanks for watching, and ride on.